Morning everyone. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can speak English confidently and fluently. But before starting a video of today, I'm going to tell you what is more important if you really want to understand English, if you really want to speak in English. Is one thing. Keep in your mind just one thing, the thought process. If you can think that you can speak in English, you can learn English speaking, so you can speak in English. But you have to think in your mind that you can speak in English, so in reality you will be able to speak in English. I will tell you the story of my friend who was from a village. He was not even to speak properly his mother tongue. His accent was very bad, but he has a very good thought process that I will try to speak in English. And he tried well. I gave him the guidance. I told him as a mentor that what you can do to learn English speaking. So I advise him one thing, that you should read English newspaper. He start reading newspaper. So by the newspaper reading, two things happen. He he improves his pronunciation, and second, learns as well as vocabulary. Because while reading, I told him that whenever you will find a new word, just write down the new word and find out the meaning of that word and learn that word same time. Again he came to me after 15 days, after 2 weeks, and I told him to listen English media. Yes, listening English media is the best way to learn English speaking. So I advise him to listen BBC News Channel, CNN, First Post. There are so many news channels. So he start listening news channels, as well as I told him that start watching cricket and listen the English cricket commentary. So he started. So he take my advice. After the 2 weeks, it means that whole 30 days, I told him to try to speak in English in front of the mirror. Yes. And if you have the smartphone, so you can speak in front of your smartphone and you can record your own video and audio. Believe me or not, after the 2 months, my friend become a fluent English speaker and he qualifies the job in a corporate sector. Now he is working well in a corporate company, earning well just because of English. I just give him the guidance and he has made his career in English. Because English can open a new opportunity for you. It is not just a language, it is a communication skills. Because English has recognized globally. First, because it is the most easiest language in this world. So if you will also do the same thing which my friend does, like reading newspaper, learning vocabulary, listening English media or listen cricket commentary, but listen English. And the final is speaking in English. But think, one thought should be in your mind, that you can speak in English. If this positive attitude will be in your mind that you can speak in English, so believe me, nobody can stop you to speak in English. And even though you can qualify the examination like IELTS and TOEFL, which is also the tough exams for English language test, English proficiency test basically. If you would like to go in a countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand or England, wherever you want to go for overseas studies, you need to qualify these examinations. But if you will qualify these examinations, so your entry become fair. So you can easily go in these countries, in English speaking countries, that you can go study and live over there and even earn. So all depends upon you, how much the effort you will do on your learning, as much as you will grow in your life. So English, take the English very seriously. I would like to advise those students also, those who are studying in the BTech or the MBA program and they are preparing for their interviews, you should also work on your English communication skills. If you can work on your English communication skills, so you can easily get the jobs in a corporate or MNC, or you can go for overseas studies. So English is very important nowadays because English is a need of today. So I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you so much.